welcome back to my channel. If you're new, just hit that subscribe button because it's lit over here. But anyway, today I'm going to be doing a review of this Burano kit. They sent me this for free, so thank you so much, Burano. Like, you didn't have to do that, but they sent me that for free. So the back of the box came a little beat up, but it's still, everything was still intact, so that's fine. So that's how the box looks. You're present in the front, big letters. The first thing it comes with is this manual and their social medias, so go follow them. It comes with dual forms, which has 10 sizes, but I don't use dual forms, but if you want me to use it, just comment below. It comes with this slip solution dispense thingy. It comes with nail forms, nail tips, which comes with 10 sizes, which is actually really good because not a lot of polygel kits come with nail tips, so that's really good. It comes with slip solution, top coat, 3-in-1 base coat, nail glue, and slip solution. So I don't know about this, but we'll see. It comes with the spatula on one end and the brush on the other. Nail file 108.80 grit. And this mix match butterfly sequence. So the first color is this purple color number 8, pink color number 7, orange color number 6, perfect for Halloween, green color number 4, white color number 1, nude color number 2, blue color number 3, yellow color number 5. So it comes with 8 polygels. The tubes are a little small, but it comes with a lot of polygels, so that's good. These colors are really, really, really pretty. I didn't know what I was gonna do at first, but I just kind of freestyled. So I just took some 70% alcohol and I just wiped off my nails. I'm pushing back my cuticles with my cuticle pusher. We gotta be gentle with this part because this part, it can hurt some people, so just be gentle. I'm going to take this needle bit and I'm just going to go around the cuticles and try to take out the dead skin from top of the nail. I need to get more drill bits. I'm going to take my cuticle scissors and I'm just going to cut the cuticles. Gotta really be careful with this part because these cuticle scissors is sharp. Like, these are really sharp. So be careful. I'm going to take this nail file. I'm just going to rough up my nail surface. It prevents lifting. So I'm going to take my nail tips and I'm just going to glue on all my nails with this KDS glue that I got from Amazon. So these are all my nails glued on. I'm going to take this bit and I'm just going to rough up the surface and blend in the nail with my natural nail. I'm going to cut tips with my nail clippers because I forgot to do that at first. So I'm going to take my 150 grit nail file that I got from Amazon. Also, I'm just going to rough up the surface instead of using the nail drill because you have more control. So these are the nails shaped, filed, and buffed. I'm going to take this Decor Dehydrator and Primer thing that I just got from Amazon. I'm just trying it out in this video. Let me tell you, this dehydrator, I don't know why, but it smells so good. Like, it smells so good. Like, it smells like candy, and I don't know if it's supposed to smell like that, but it smells really good, so that's a plus. But I'm going to take this primer, and I'm just going to prime up my nails. I'm gonna put 2 layers of this. Now I'm gonna take my base coat. I'm just gonna put a layer of this on all the nails. This base coat is really thick, and I'm pretty sure it's because it's a 3-in-1, so it has slips. You can use it as slip solution and nail glue, so that's why it's super thick. But it's really thick, but I think I like that. Now I'm going to take these 3 colors. I did decide on another color at the end, but you'll see. Take slip solution from another kit, put it in the dispense that came with the kit, and I'm just going to use that and clean up the brush. The brush felt really good, so that's good, because some of the brushes in some of these kits they're just not good. But the first color I'm going to go is this orange color. Just gonna pat that around. So this consistency is good. I really like this consistency. It's really cold, so in my house, so it was a little stiff, but I kind of like that about that because it's easier to mold. But now I'm gonna take this green color. I'm just gonna be putting that on my pointer finger. Just gonna be molding that around. So far, I actually really like this polygel consistency. It feels really good. So, but if you don't want it to be as stiff, then you could actually put them in a bowl of warm water, and they'll just loosen up a little bit. But I like the stiffness because it's easier to mold. But now I'm going to take this blue color and I'm just going to put that on the tip of my ring finger and my pinky finger. I'm smoothing that out, making sure that it's kind of blended in and not all bulky. So for the pinky finger, I decided to do a stiletto, so that's why it's like that. I decided last minute. I'm gonna take this nude color and I'm just gonna be fitting that in the cuticle, so it's like a cuticle bead. So I tend to always sometimes get the polygel on my cuticles. I don't even know how. I swear I'd be paying attention to the cuticles, and I just feel like I get it on the cuticles. But I look at my cuticles and I feel like I don't see it go on my cuticles. But after, you can see it. It's weird. But I'm just gonna try to make it ombre and try to drag the edges lightly into the rest of the nails. I'm gonna be doing this for every one of the nails, trying to fit the bead inside the cuticle, get everywhere, clean up the cuticles, make sure it's nice and flush. To be honest, the cuticle work is the hardest work for me because I'm still learning how to, not flood the cuticle. But I love these colors together, and spoiler alert, but when they glow in the dark, they look so good. They look good. So these are how the nails look after I've been applied the polygel. Now I'm gonna encapsulate these nails with this Gershion clear not polygel, acrygel. So acrygel is different. It's way more sticky, and you're not supposed to really dip your brush in your slip solution, which I kind of did. but I forgot, honestly. But thank you, Gershon, for sending this to me. Gershon actually sent this to me for free, so thank you so much. But I used that to encapsulate the nails so that when we go in the file, we don't file off the blend and the ombre that we made, because that would just be unfortunate. Like, you would have to start all over. I don't know why I was trying to pat that in. You're obviously supposed to brush it out, but these are how the nails look. And I'm just gonna wipe off the tacky layer of this with some alcohol, which I don't recommend using 70% alcohol to wipe off these nails, because it gives like this white residue at the end, which now I learned my lesson. But I'm gonna go with my hand file and I'm gonna try to do some cuticle work, try to make the cuticles flush. So first I'm going to go in with my nail file, and then I'm going to go in my nail drill, because with the nail file, like I said before, you have way more control, but the nail drill is faster. So like if you use both, it's just like a win-win. So I'm just reshaping these nails right now. Just getting that shape back that I had at first. So the shape that I have in these nails, I don't really do. It's like kind of like ballerina shaped, not really coffin. By the way, guys, I'm doing my non-dominant hand, well, my dominant hand, which was really, really hard. So if I was doing my left hand, it would have been way easier for me, but I have to keep practicing doing my dominant hand because I want to get way better at that. But I'm gonna go on my file and just, you know, smooth out the nail. Try to get inside those cuticles and just smooth out the nails. I'm going to take this cuticle bit and I'm just going to go around the cuticle one more time and make it nice and flush. This is like a safety bit, so if it does go on your cuticle, it won't like hurt. You know, it won't hurt. I'm going to take this brush and like go around the cuticle and clean all the dust around the nails and stuff. If you guys want to know where I got all these bits from, I'm going to link them down below, so check the description. Now I'm going to buff out these nails really good, because if you go in to put top coat, when you go in to put top coat, you're going to see all those scratches, and this is not going to be cute. It's not going to be cute, okay? So these are the nails shaped, filed, and buffed, and I'm going to go in with some 3-in-1. I'm just going to use that as my base coat, as like my sticky layer to add in my gems. I do need to get gem glue. I do have one for model ones, but I tried it before and all the gems just came right off. So I don't know if it's because I used the wrong ones, but I don't know. And now I'm going to take my top coat and I'm just going to put a nice generous layer of top coat. Like, I love top coat in my nails. It just finishes off the nails. It just makes you feel so relieved and good. I don't know why. But honestly, I went in with 2 top coats. I went in with 2 layers of top coat for my middle finger because that's where the gems were. And when you go around the gems, it like seals the gems in. So like I did 2 coats of that so it won't fall off. But you see that? Like, oh. So I have this package from Dipped and Dusted Nails. She sent me this for free, so thank you so much. Like, I really appreciate it. Like, you don't understand. I'm so excited. But she sent me this cuticle pen in the mail, and it just came so nice. And she sent me like this letter and, you know, the cuticle pen. I got the fruit. I think I got the Fruit Loop flavor. I mean, Fruit Loop scent. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. The scent was so good. It smelled so good. It legit smelled like I was eating Fruit Loops. Like, I'm not even joking. It smelled so good. It was super pretty because it had glitter in it and everything. But these are how the nails look, guys. Like, if you guys like this, like, you know, just comment down below. Like, I really like this nail set. Like, probably one of my favorites. Like, I just really like it. It's my first time doing ombre, so yeah. But these are the nails like in the dark. Like, look how they're glowing. Like, they're popping. Like, they're glowing. Like, you guys should really get this Burano kit. It's super fun and comes with a variety of colors too. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, just give it a like, you know, subscribe and share this video. You guys stay tuned for more videos. If you want to see more videos from me, just comment down below. Bye guys.